I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your SIM card with Movistar without any hassle, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM. Make sure you have your new SIM card ready. It should be activated and compatible with your device. Step 2. Back up your data. Before changing the SIM, back up your contacts and any important data. You can use cloud services or transfer to another device. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone to avoid any potential issues during the SIM change. This ensures a smooth transition. Step 4. Remove old SIM. Locate the SIM tray on your device, usually found on the side. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to remove the old SIM card. Step 5. Insert new SIM. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the tray and power on your device. Wait for it to recognize the new SIM. Remember, if you don't see a signal after inserting the new SIM, try restarting your device again. Changing your SIM should be a breeze now.